Hey, this is your Hollywood maintenance again. I just want to show you guys this dryer. She said it's turning on but not doing anything. Here's the model number, which I'll leave in the description below. What you do is the same way as you do the washers. Three times in three sequence. F3, E6. Already wrote them all down. Just thought I'd show you. I haven't had one for a dryer. F1, E1. F3, E1. When you hear that 3 beeps, it started over. So now, under this lid here, which I'm going to take off and clean that up, is the booklet. So we can see exactly what the codes are. While I take that off, I'll be back. All right, while I'm back, I did not take off the lid. I just took off the bottom here because these ones are easier. I tested the thermal fuse back there. I'm not sure if you can see it. Let me turn on my light. All right, I got my light on. This one back here is the thermal fuse. I ohmed it out. It's not beeping. I'm not getting any ohms at all. So I'm gonna think that's bad. I'm gonna go get one. And I'm not doing this with the power on. I do have my breaker off. Be right back. All right, I just want to show you on this is the thermal fuse on the dryer. Like I was telling you, we have it on ohms with sound. We're supposed to get a beep. See, this is a good thermal fuse. The other one's not beeping, but we'll confirm once we pull it off and show you. I just wanted to get this video in here so you guys can see for yourself. Hold the old thermal fuse. This is what I was talking about. Touching on each end first, it does beep. Nothing. So they're telling me that this is bad. So now I'm gonna flip on the breaker and give it a whirl. Before it was just turning on and not doing anything. There it goes. I also noticed when I was here, this hose was off. So I'm kind of glad I opened this up. I cleaned it up the best I can. I didn't have a filter on my phone. I mean on my shop vac. But I could feel the heat, so. Yep, it's working good. Just thought I'd shoot a video on that. So if your dryer is turning on and then does nothing, most likely it's the thermal fuse, and I suggest checking that out. Once again, it looks like this. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can have one shipped to your house. And these ones here have a light, so maybe we'll change this light out too. All right, just gonna put everything back and just put this cover back on, change the light bulb, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If this is helpful, like and subscribe. I just wanted to show you real quick. See, there's a light in the dryer. So we thought we'd replace it while we were here. Should be nice to see what she's doing.